If you are getting zoomed in on your Roku, keep watching. I'm going to tell you how to fix it. So you can see that black line on top. The Paramount is definitely not centered. It's zoomed in, like really bad. So we're going to go to Home. We're going to go to Settings. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to System. And then you're going to scroll all the way down to System Restart, and then go ahead and restart, and it should take like not even 30 seconds. And I'm going to go to Paramount, that's where we were. Pet Cemetery, watch now. And already you can see that the Paramount was in the middle. You can see the top line, the top black line here, the bottom line, the Paramount was centered. And here's that mountain that was like way off to the corner over there. You can see the black lines. The mountain is centered and the Paramount is centered. So we're back to normal. Hope this helps.